I think it is going to be emotional, definitely, you know, to be back in that track, in that weekend 1 year later. Yeah, we will see. We will see. But I'm excited to go, but I think it'll be tough. I think it's a way for me to kind of close a chapter, you know, to pay tribute to Antoine as well. And just kind of face the track, you know. And I've thought about it every day in the last 12 months. But I don't think that is going to go away once I visit the track again, you know. I think maybe that will start to go away once I get over my injuries, because this is the biggest reminder I have of what happened, you know. So at the moment I have on the right leg, which is the worst one, I still have this external fixator, which actually served as a bone, kind of. It's like an external bone.
Okay.
And this one should be coming off on November of this year. And then on the left leg is actually quite okay. I just had a small surgery done a few weeks ago on the toes, because the toes were curled up like this, and they had to cut the tendons and open the toes up. So that should be fine in around 2-3 weeks. It should be okay, and the left leg is pretty much ready to go. I'm lucky that actually the right leg is the one worst affected, because on the right leg I only need to push the throttle, which is actually quite easy. It's quite light. On the other hand, the left leg needs actually to have a lot of strength for the brakes. I've definitely grown from this experience massively. I think I'm definitely not the same person I was 12 months ago. And most of it has been growth in a very positive way. You know, I see life differently. I am more mature. I am more easygoing. I appreciate the little things in life. It sounds like a cliche, but it's true. So overall, you know, the biggest regret I have out of all of this is the death of Antoine. But I really don't have such a big regret of the injuries I face myself, because I think they have made me grow in ways that nothing else could have made me grow this way.